coming to Charter Act of 1813. Now coming to Charter Act of 1813. Although the Charter Act started in 1793 itself, but there are nothing significant provisions in that 1793. Okay, so we will be starting with Charter Act of 1813. What are the important provisions of this Charter Act, sir? First one, EIC, that is East India Company. Okay, East India Company monopoly is abolished. Okay, earlier only East India Company has the exclusive rights to come and trade in India. Now the East India Company's monopoly is abolished. But please, my dear friends, please remember this, please focus here. Except in tea, okay, East India Company's monopoly is abolished, but except in tea and trade with China. Okay, other than these two, East India Company has no monopoly. Okay, now Indian trade is open to all British merchants. Earlier, only East India Company has the exclusive right. Now the monopoly enjoyed by the East India Company was abolished, but except in tea and trade with China. Next one, sum of rupees, sorry, 1 lakh, sir, this is, okay. Sum of rupees 1 lakh was set aside for the promotion of education in India. My dear friends, please, while making the notes, please be careful. It is sum of rupees 1 lakh. Okay, the number doesn't came, haven't came. So please remember, sum of rupees 1 lakh was set aside for the promotion of education in India. It was just set aside, but it was not allotted, because hope you are aware of the debate of Anglicist and the Orientalist. Okay, so it was sum of rupees was set aside for the promotion of education in India, but they were not used. Next, these are not that much important, but just for your information, Christian missionaries were allowed to propagate and profess Christianity in India. Now, Christian missionaries were allowed to propagate and profess Christianity in India. And next, British subjects, that it means British people, we are allowed to come and settle in India. Okay, the starting, these are the two important points you need to remember. First one is the monopoly of the British East India Company is ended, except in tea and trade with China. And next, sum of rupees 1 lakh was set aside for the promotion of education in India. So remember them, the mnemonic for it is, remember it as MTech. Okay, MTech, Master of Technology. Okay, M for monopoly ended, T for except in tea. Okay, next E for education, 1 lakh was set aside for education. C for exception for trade with China. Remember the Charter Act of 1833, the mnemonic for it is MTech. Once again I am repeating, M for abolish the monopoly, T for exception with regards to the tea trade, and next E for set aside 1 lakh rupees for education. Next one, CH for China, exception with regards to China. Next one, coming to Charter Act of 1833. Charter Act of 1833. Okay, so in 1831 it ended the monopoly. Okay, now it ended activities of EIC as a commercial body. It ended activities of the East India Company as a commercial body. Now it only purely remains as a mere administrative body. Whereas in 1813 its monopoly was checked. Now it's commercial. Now it ended the activities as a commercial body. Now it purely remains as a administrative body. Next, my dear friends, this is the point where most of the students confuse. Please remember, during 1833 Act, they attempted to introduce open competition for selection of civil servants. The keyword you need to focus is attempted. They haven't introduced, they attempted to introduce the open competition for selection of civil servants. Please remember, my dear friends, they only attempted, they haven't introduced. Okay. Next one, Governor General of Bengal. What happens, sir? Now Governor General of Bengal becomes the Governor General of India. Okay, Earlier in 1773, Governor of Bengal becomes Governor General. Okay, Governor General of Bengal. Now in 1833, Governor General of Bengal becomes Governor General of India. Okay, this is what it explains. Governor General of GGOB stands for Governor General of Bengal, position elevated to Governor General of India, and vested in him all military powers. This led to the creation of Government of India, having authority over entire territorial area possessed by British in India. Okay, so now all this, there is a this 1833 Act highlights the centralization. Okay, the pinnacle of centralization has reached in 1833 Act. Okay, next, so who is the Governor General of India, sir? William Bentinck. Next, Governor General of India was given exclusive legislative powers. Governor General of India was given exclusive legislative powers, legislation in the sense lawmaking powers, and deprived Governor of Bombay and Madras of their legislative powers. So now only Governor General of India has the exclusive legislative powers. Okay, and the legislative powers of Governor of Bombay and Madras were deprived. Okay, these are the things you need to remember. So what are the things, sir? One, it ended British East India Company functions as a commercial body. Next one is it attempted to introduce open competition. Now Governor General of Bengal became Governor General of India. Next, it deprived the legislative powers of Bombay and Madras provinces. So you can remember it as E-oil or the funniest mnemonic. Remember it as toilet. Okay, remember it as toilet. There is nothing for TT. Okay, so this is it attempted to introduce open competition. Governor General of India became, Governor General of Bengal became Governor General of India, and next it deprived the legislative powers of this one Bombay and Madras presidencies. Next, it ended the commercial functions of British East India Company. Okay, so please remember, you have done Master of Technology in constructing toilets, MTech toilets, the funniest mnemonic. Sir, always remember, the more funniest the mnemonics, the better you will remember them. Okay, so please remember MTech toilet with regards to 1813 and the Charter Act of 1833. Okay, a quick recap of the earlier one. 1773, that is grapes. When you eat grapes, you become sick. Okay, next you have done Master of Technology in construction of toilets. Okay, that's it, friends. Very simple. Okay.